Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making cast iron skillet cornbread. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You will need 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of salt. For this recipe, I'll be using a 10-inch skillet. Place your skillet into the preheated oven while we prepare the batter. In a large bowl, combine the cornmeal, flour, and sugar. Now add your baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk until well combined. In a separate bowl, combine your buttermilk, milk, and eggs. Now add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix well. Melt your butter in the microwave, then add 6 tablespoons to the batter. Reduce the oven temperature from 425 to 375, then carefully remove your skillet. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the skillet, then add your batter. Transfer it to the oven, then allow it to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove it from the oven, then it is ready to serve. This cornbread recipe is my favorite, and I hope it becomes your favorite too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.